Hello guys, this is KCK here. Today we'll be seeing the PCB case modding of my PC. So let's get started. Now this is a 3-pin fan connector, system fan connector. You will be needing this to connect to multiple fans, that is one on the front and one on the rear. So we need two fans. So there is some casing modification required. So in this we have just altered the black and the brown and the red wire. You just note it clearly down. You just pin in the holes and you can just plug out the wires. This is my front panel of my PC. You just made some drills. You can see, I don't know, but there are some holes on the front panel. This is one of my just known googled PCB case modding. You can see the holes. They just the holes are made on 2 centimeter apart. You can use normal drills to make the holes. I just opened my front PC cabinet and see how clean it should be for making the modding. I've been installing one on the rear one and one on the front one. This is the front opening. You can see the net in the front. We have to install the one front over here. See, look how it looks, a PCB case, modded PCB case. Looks funny, but it looks good. Now this is a 120 mm PCB case fan. You should note this, the direction of the airflow. It is very important because it should be the air should be in the inverse direction. Now you see that I'm installing the front PC cabinet fan. Just after installation, just you have to need screw in the 4 screws came with the box. The fan is a very cheap one. It's a Cooler Master fan. It costed me around 200 rupees in India. See, this is just installed version. You can see how it looks from the side view. It is mostly touching the hard disk. See the lighted one. It looks very sexy. Now we have installed both the fans and just see the wiring. We should know that the air should pass from each and every corner of the CPU to make it cool and should work efficiently. It's also noted that the wire should be taken, front panel wire should be taken from the back side so that it doesn't block the airs. Now see, in this case I have taken from the sides of the case. This is very important as far as cooling is concerned, and dust should not settle down on the wires. This is a system fan case pin which I just plug in so that 2 wires get working. 2 fans should get working. This is my installed system. See how neat I have kept it is. It is kept. The fans are working very smoothly now. If in any case you have any doubts, just contact me. Thanks for watching.